7 police officers are in hospital following a crash between 5 police vehicles and a car they were chasing. 2 people have been arrested by police following the early morning incident. They remain in custody. The collision happened on the A1 near Gateshead and Newcastle at 2:27 a.m. on Wednesday. Images and video from the scene show the impact of the crash, leaving one police car with its roof torn off and others badly damaged. Northumbria Police said officers had tried to stop a car in Gateshead at around 2 a.m. because of concerns over the way it was being driven. It left the area and a pursuit was authorised when it was sighted at around 2:25 a.m. 2 minutes later, the car and 5 police vehicles were involved in the collision. The 7 injured officers were taken to hospital with what was described as non-life-threatening injuries, Northumbria Police said. 4 have subsequently been discharged, 2 remain for observation, and 1 is receiving treatment for a leg injury. A spokesman said the 2 occupants of a BMW, which was being pursued at the time, were uninjured. 2 people have been arrested and both remain in custody. A man in his 20s was detained on suspicion of causing serious injury by dangerous driving. A woman, also in her 20s, was arrested on suspicion of aiding and abetting dangerous driving. The collision happened on the A1 carriageway below the roundabout where gunman Raoul Moat shot PC David Rothband, leaving him blind in 2010. Superintendent Michelle Casely said an investigation to determine the circumstances was underway. National Highways said the A1 will be closed between Swalwell in Gateshead and Denton in Newcastle in both directions into Wednesday afternoon. Follow for more.